Now come to sum of two dices. Two dices are rolled. What is the probability of getting a sum of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on? If two dices are thrown, what is the minimum possible sum? Definitely, what is the minimum number on first die? It is 1. And on the second die, it is also 1. First dice and second dice, if minimum number is 1 and 1, so what is the sum? Sum total will be 1 plus 1, it is 2. This is the minimum sum. Then 1 and second dice is showing 2. What is the sum total? 1 plus 2, 3. First die 1, second die 3, that is 4. Then 3 के बाद 4, it is 5. Then 5, that is 6. Then it is 1 and it is 6. The sum total will be 7. Second die will show maximum number 6. This is minimum, this is maximum. Second, if this is variable, then what will happen? This is fixed. This die, it is 1. Then the numbers will be repeated. 1, 1, this is called sample space. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Then 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Right? 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 and so on. The total, then 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3 and 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3. If you plot all these numbers, it is called sample space. इसको sample space बोला जाएगा. So what is the sum? Sum minimum कितना है? 2. And what is the maximum sum when first die show 6, second die also show 6, 6 plus 6, it is 12. This is the maximum possible sum with the two die. Now what is the probability of getting this? 2 सम आने की, 3 सम आने की, 4, 5, 6, 7. जैसे अगर मैं 4 लेता हूं, फर्स्ट 4, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग सम 4? 4 कितने टाइप से आ सकता है? देखिए 1, 3, it is giving me 4, 2, 2, it is also giving me 4, 3, 1, it is also giving me 4. So there are 3 cases of getting a sum 4. What is the probability of getting sum 6? It is 1, 5, it is 6, and second is, this is minimum, second number is 2, so it should be 4, 2 plus 4, it is 6. So there are only one more, 3, 3, then 4, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 2. So there are total 2 cases this and 2 cases this. 5, 1. One more, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 cases are there of getting a sum 6. Getting it? अब इतने सारे नंबर हैं, क्वेश्चन आता है, what is the probability of getting sum 3 or 7, sum 2 or 5, like that. Even number, 2 dices are thrown, what is the probability of getting even number? Sum should be even. Sum should be even means sum should be 2, 4, 6, like that. So इसके लिए one shortcut is there, one diagram which is giving me the best possible way to memorize. See here, just make a triangle. It is like this. Here you should write sum, here should write probability. This is sum. What is the minimum possible sum? It is 2. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, then 9, 10, 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11 numbers are there. So अगर मैं 5 यहाँ छोड़ दूं, 5 इधर छोड़ दूं, what is the middle one? Middle one is 7. So you should write here, this is some 7 at the top here. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Sum 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is the probability? Probability number के लिए you should simply write here probability. Here you should write 1 because there is only one case of getting sum 2. Sum 2 आए उसका केवल एक ही केस possible है. Then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then reduce it 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The best way to memorize. If it is asked, what is the probability of getting sum 6? Simply the answer is 5 by 36. मैंने अभी 5 cases आपको निकाल के बतलाए थे. I have explained with the sample space. What is the probability of getting sum 10? What is the answer? 3 by 36. Why this is 36? Because with the 2 dice, total outcome will be 6 outcome from first dice, second 6 outcome from second dice, 6 6 36. Total number of cases will be 36. कुल output हमको कितने मिलेंगे? 36. So this is total number of cases. Number of favorable cases divided by total number of cases. What is the probability of getting sum 5 or 11? So simple 4 by 36 or means plus 2 by 36. This is your answer. 6 by 36. Simplify. So memorize this triangle, sum of 2 dice, very easy to memorize, most important. Similarly, sum of 3 dices, most important. What is the minimum sum? 1, 1, 1. The minimum sum with the 3 dices will be 3 and maximum sum 6, 6, 6, that is 18. Minimum, maximum sum will be 18, right? Maximum. So what is the probability? Sum will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 numbers are there. Half करिए 16 का 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Leave it. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is? There are 2 peaks. Make the same way triangle, but now it is like this figure. There are 2 peaks corresponding to 10, sum 10 and sum 11. Here same program, sum, here it is probability. प्रायिकता नीचे लोगे. Minimum sum 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. But here the total outcomes will be 6 into 6 into 6. Total divided by 216. Here this is the first case. It is 1. Only one case. One case sum is possible is 3. 1, 1, 1. केवल एक केस में टोटल सम क्या आएगा? 3. देन उसके बाद में आपको क्या करना है? इन दोनों के बीच में यहां पे आपको लिखना है, इनके बीच में छोटे छोटे उसमें 2, देन 3, देन 4, +4, then +5, then +6, then reduce it +4 and then +2. That's all. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then 4 and 2. एक लिमिट तक राइज करेगा 6 तक, देन 4 and 2. ये आपको बस याद रखना है. नाउ 1 में 2 ऐड कर दीजिए. व्हाट इज इट? 3. 3 plus 3, what is it? 6. 6 plus 4, what is it? 10. 10 plus 5, what is it? 15. 15 plus 6, what is it? 21. 21 plus 4, what is it? 25. 25 plus 2, what it is? It is 27. That's all. Now reduce it. 27, 27, 25, 25, 21, 21, 15, 10, 6, 3 and 1. Again, once again, sum is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 2 centers, then up to 18 sum is. What is the probability? Only 1 is the probability of getting sum 3. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2. ये बस 6 तक राइज करके 4 और 2 आपको याद करना है. 6. What is 6? 4 plus 2. मैंने ऐसे याद किया. 4 plus 2, it is 6. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 6, 21 plus 4, 25 plus 2, 27. Then इसको reduce कर दीजिए. Question is, what is the probability of getting a sum 13 when 3 dices are rolled? What is your answer? 21 by 216. 3 dices are rolled. 3 पासे फेंके जाते हैं. योग 15 आए. 10 by 216. सॉल्व करके आंसर. सम 8 या 17 आए. 21 by 216 प्लस 3 by 216. ऐड कर दीजिए. दिस इज योर आंसर. Sum should be even, sum should be odd, prime number, anything. You should simply memorize this trick. Most important.